one take 4. The color is wrong in take 3, but as you can see, the autumn joys are starting to bloom here. So it was on the color, had the color settings on the camera wrong, so I had to redo it. There's this. We'll show this. The I could think. Okay. I want to show the neighbor's plants quickly too. You gotta be quick. Just one. Show the dandelion. Show these. I want to show some. These are still blooming. And these autumn joys are starting to bloom. I don't know how I had the camera color setting wrong. Here's this. Hear that cat meow. If I find that cat this time, I'm going to delete the. There's the Rose and Sharon. It's passing a peak, but there it is. Now there's the cat. Okay, I'm going to delete the cat video, but it's like a new cat in the yard. This one, it's not the same cat we've been getting, but this is the new one. So it's a new cat. So we'll show that, and we'll delete the cat video. It'd be redundant too. I have to wait. What's this? Here's yellow flowers. Here's these. Oh, the Rose and Sharon's. The Rose and Sharon's is past their peak. A lot quicker. This. Main thing I wanted to show was the white clematis and the. And we look in the alley. We'll do a better one, I think Sunday. Yeah, these are like kind of like the dandelions. And then there's this. Now, do it.